Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to practice English in a very natural way by talking about daily routines. I'll be chatting with Abzi, who's going to tell us about his morning routine in English. Along the way, I'll give a few gentle corrections and tips to help improve fluency. So, relax, listen carefully, and maybe think about your own morning routine too, because we'll invite you to share it at the end. Alright, let's get started. So, Abzi, can you tell us about your typical morning routine?
Sure. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes, just checking my phone and reading messages.
That sounds familiar. I think a lot of us do that.
Yeah. After that, I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then take a shower.
Nice and clear. Good use of the present simple tense.
Thanks. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat eggs with toast and drink a cup of coffee.
Good. Just a small tip. Instead of drink a coffee, you can say have a coffee. It sounds more natural.
Oh, okay. I have a cup of coffee. Got it. While I eat, I like to listen to music or watch short videos online.
Remember, we say listen to music.
Right, listen to music. Thank you. After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare my bag for work. I check my phone, keys, and wallet, and then I leave home around 7:30. And I walk to the bus stop and take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes to reach my office. Sometimes I read something on my phone or listen to a podcast.
Excellent. Very natural. I like how you use time expressions like sometimes and usually. That's great for fluency.
Thank you. That's pretty much my morning routine.
Before we finish, let's quickly review a few key language tips from today. Use present simple tense for routines. I wake up, I go, I eat. Use natural expressions. Have breakfast, leave home, listen to music. Practicing simple conversations like this every day really helps your English improve, especially your speaking confidence. Try describing your day out loud in English, even when you're alone.
Yeah, it's a fun and easy way to practice daily.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more English practice, and share it with your friends and family. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye!